guys, what is up? Today I'll be showing you my 2016 4th of July fireworks stash. I'll start over here. Right here we got the half a brick of Wolfpack firecrackers, Phantom Fireworks. Right here we got the Howling Wolfpack bottle rockets, Phantom Fireworks. Those ones were given to us for free. We got another box under there. Then we have the Jumbo Whistling Wolfpack bottle rockets, 2 boxes of smoke balls, and Roman candles, Wolfpack crackling Roman candles. I only have 3 left. I got these little ground spinners that were for $5. Those were not at Phantom Fireworks though. 2 boxes of Morning Glories. This little thing right here. A mini mortar kit. This one's Phantom Fireworks. And right here we got the Copperhead. And right here we got the floral shells, Wolfpack. That was at Phantom Fireworks as well. Got one more shell back there. And then we got this double burst here. This was not at Phantom Fireworks. Got that for $1.99. This magic thing. It's for $7.99. 96 shot color pearl. Shriller. And then right here we got our Saturn missile batteries. These 2 were from Phantom Fireworks. These ones were just 25 shots. And then these ones were, this one was 100 shots for $6.99. Now this one right here, this one is 325 shots for $23.99. And then right here we got Peeps Pick, $14.99. 33 shots or 35 shots. Red, White, and Boom, 16 shots. Martin Bombers, 16 shots, $12.99. Bad Blood, $12.99. I think this one is like a salute cake. I think this one's going to be good. That's what I heard. And back here we got Real Thing, $12.99, 25 shots. Color Topia, 25 shots. And this one back here, it's 25 shots. It's from Phantom Fireworks. So is that. And then obviously that one was. And then over here we got the Grand Slam, 16 shots. Hat Trick, 16 shots. Slam Dunk, 16 shots. And there's another one that was Touchdown, but I don't have it here. And there was a pack of those for $45.99. This is a 4-pack. Back here we got Hydrogen Bomb. I think this one's a 500 gram. 36 shots. $33.99. And right here we got Exterminator, 24 canister shells. This one was $75. That's my 2016 4th of July fireworks stash.